Story though. It's called Geall, and Liam McGuschin is the author of this one. And this was actually a pretty decent book to read. It's again a simplified book. It's actually targeted at learners. It has a glossary in the back also. So we have a couple more of these kind of books we're going to do before we get into some more interesting stuff. But this story is a little bit more advanced than the ones we've done, but not by much. Okay, and Geall is the promise. Okay, kind of starts off like some of the other ones we've done, though. All right. So what we're going to do is, like we did before, is we're going to have Bob and Heather take turns reading lines, and everyone else translates. Okay, if you want.
We want.
Okay. All right. So everyone has it. Page 1, Lachnachachain and Geall. Heather, you want to read number 1? You don't.
Rhetorical question.
Oh, you don't have to actually. Okay. So any words there we know?
Shay is a name.
Okay. Yeah, except for Bob and Heather. No comments from you.
I
Okay.
guess it's and.
Open.
Open.
Open. And looked. You saw.
We look close. Okay. Anyone else? Okay.
Thinking of the wolf story that was big and that's.
Right. Yeah, let, except it's an idiom actually, so we'll find out what it is. Okay, that's probably pretty good for now. Okay, number 2. Bob, you want to read that for us?
Okay.
The table.
Okay, table. All right.
They looked.
Okay.
And he looked.
He looked
And at the clock.
at the clock.
And there was a table next to the bed.
Mm-hmm.
No, Lapa is not bed.
Yes, it is
Oh,
actually.
it is?
Yeah, I'll explain that when we get there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
That's scary.
All right. Number 3, Heather. Yeah. Turns. It's one of our bingo words, except it's an idiom. Okay, that's probably as much as you're going to know with that
About
one.
the day.
Okay, lay of day. Okay, and you may not know the other term. Bob, Iverakaher.
Okay.
Let
Yeah. Any of those words?
put his head down on the bed. No.
Something about something about a head and something about bed. Okay, that's good. That's probably good for now. Iverakahuig.
Die Geall biog dawata igen ig bula chlár Adrian le castor croa.
Okay.
My little devil.
A little devil.
You
Okay.
got that part. Dawata just mean damn.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's probably actually all the words you're going to know
I'm
this.
getting into the good Irish.
Iverashay, Bob. Saw. Igsaw.
Huh?
Igsaw Prickery.
Oh, this score diablo exa precary te in a vela. 20 devils.
No translations from you.
Something about hot. And-
Okay, che is hot, right?
and,
And that's probably all the words you know of that. So, Iverashacht.
What is it with this guy? Vike Geall ig speaky Bjorcha is shaka and Huila.
Beer? No.
Yeah, it's a different word, yeah.
Oh.
Yes. That's, you're thinking Bjorach.
It's with an E, right?
Bjorach is
He's
a,
a damn
Yeah.
exorcist.
is beer. It's a different term. Okay.
Isn't it stacked inside?
Yeah, inside, right. Just Jack inside.
100 devils.
The 100 devils. Okay, Kid Jowl, right? Okay.
There were 100 devils.
All right. Iverhocht, Bob.
Nach sé chean a rééis agus hasí sé glúbernal go mé thuúneach.
Mi húbnach. Okay. Okay. Any other words? There's a couple words you should know there.
No,
Nocht actually, yeah, you probably don't know.
it's not night.
No, that's that's in German, yeah. That's with an A. Is it? No, it's no. Yeah. No, it's with an A. Hossi began, actually. Hossi. Okay.
Hossi is what?
Began, yeah. Okay. Go on, Ibernae, Heather.
Honey, I've seen the rare arash in the equipment.
Last night
Okay, last night, a rare.
in Honig.
Hanig came, right? I heard it over there somewhere.
Rash came back, but no.
Arash is back. Okay, right. So you have something about came, something last night, come back. Okay, so we'll figure out what it was. Okay. Ibernae, Bob.
Chuir sé tús leis an isise ag ol lena chairde sa bhuisteán glas an táirne a lár na cachra nar gannach leo bula le chéile.
He put something in the drink.
Okay, a goal, drinking.
There's my night.
Where is that? Icha, right? And Icha is the night.
In the green car.
The green car and Bluestone glass. Okay. Any other? Okay.
Bula, we just had.
Yeah, we had Bula. Okay, we'll have it again in a little bit. Okay. Hainjag, Heather.
Is it chuisi aige bealach na bófine an clubí chu galanta tíh ó Geastan cahar.
Okay, any words there?
When?
Then they went. Shin Hui Shid.
Nightclub.
Okay, nightclub. Club Icha is a nightclub.
Line of ride, is that the same Orion? Forward?
Yeah.
Orion,
That I onward, yeah. And anyone know the word kahir?
Sounds familiar.
Yeah, I've heard it.
Chair.
Not chair, that's kahir.
Oh.
4 is okay.
There's too many words that sound.
Okay, the number. Okay, so the word kahir is 4, kahir is city, and kahir is the chair. Okay.
So there's no choices to guess from, because I guess city.
Yeah, city is that's kahir, right? Okay. Let's see. Ibn Doyeg, Bob.
Dul sé go throm an sin agus bhí sé chun maire le drolín chespi nuair a thug sé an cailín faoi deara.
Something about a girl.
Tell me about a girl. Okay.
A wren?
Yeah, I'll explain that when we get to it.
He was drinking.
Heavily.
Right, heavily, the thrum.
And he
That's probably all the terms you're going to know in there, actually. I think you got all the words you know already. Okay, we're a tree.
Chespi is show?
No, let's get to that. They were a tree jag.
Bhí si ar a slí le cúpla cailín eile ag an mór den aice leis.
Okay.
She was
Sitting.
Sitting, right.
Sitting with a
a
couple
couple of girls.
Right.
A couple of other girls.
Couple of other girls
At the table.
At the table.
at the table.
Next to the table?
Next to him, actually. In Akalash, yeah. Pretty good. Okay, we got one. Okay. Give it a Cahir Jag, Bob.
Chuir a gara drichlín glindar trid.
You gotta know one word in there.
Or
A couple
put a
words.
smile? No.
Guy, we're close.
Is it tree some form of 3?
Preach is, that's a word we haven't done yet. But Okay, yeah, there's the ones. Okay, we'll come to that. Kuijeg, Heather.
Frog Nushawan, it is a folk, Ular, Fuyafuyate.
A is Ed.
Let's see. Um,
Is that beautiful?
beautiful, Alwyn.
And
Probably, you might be able to figure out one of the words. It might.
Well, first,
Put, right. Driacht is magic, yes. Okay. And that's probably good for that one. Shejeg, Bob.
Tres tamarin darilesh tul hun tantile.
Okay.
Taurish, does that come back? No, Taurish.
Strish. Yeah.